Okay, so today we'll be looking at words that are ending double E, as you can see here, and the sound for double E is E, E, E. So let's go like the letter E. Alright. B, E, B, F, E, Fee. E, Lee, P, E, P, S, E, C, E, we, T, E, T, F, E, free, T, E, tree, E, three, Ag, E, agree. So now let's go over one more time. B, fee, lee, P, C, we, T, free, tree, three, agree. Until we meet again, bye bye for now.